Right now, science matters more than ever. Why? Because our future depends on it. We all depend on it. The big problems of today will not be solved without it. Welcome to the STELR classroom. We're changing how we teach science in schools. With specialist toolkits developed around real-world contexts, STELR is a creative and design-focused program bringing fun, equipment-based learning into the classroom. Tactile challenges provoke discussion, and open-ended problems invite infinite answers. STELR goes beyond physical components, also supporting teachers with professional development workshops, curriculum guides, and tests. But why does STELR even exist? Did you know that participation and performance levels in science and maths are declining? That we're slipping in comparison to international counterparts? That we're short on university graduates across science, technology, engineering, and maths? That students do not perceive science as relevant in their lives? And yet, despite all this, the majority of students are highly concerned about science-based problems like climate change and sustainable futures. The interests and capabilities of students today are misaligned with our science-dependent future. With lessons focused on timely real-world issues, STELR exists to connect science with the lives of all students. And the best part? The results. STELR schools have more students enrolled in science, higher science literacy levels, higher engagement rates, and greater awareness about the incredible opportunities ahead of them. Signing up to STELR is investing in our future. It's giving the gift of science to our younger generations. It's offering teachers a more effective way to engage students, and for businesses, a more attractive opportunity to align their brands with science. Sign up and join us to open more minds to a brighter, STELR world.